How do breakpoints work in C++ debugging? Have you ever wondered how programmers find and fix bugs in their code? One of the most effective tools they use is breakpoints. So, how do breakpoints work in C++ debugging? Let's break it down. Breakpoints are a key feature in C++ debugging that allow you to pause your program at a specific line of code. This pause gives you a chance to inspect what is happening in your program at that moment. When you set a breakpoint on a line, the debugger will stop the program just before it executes that line. This lets you look at variables, memory, and other important information to see how your program is running or why it might not be working as expected. At a basic level, breakpoints mark a specific instruction in your compiled program. When the program counter reaches this marked location, the debugger interrupts the program. This is typically done by replacing the instruction at that location with a special command that tells the central processing unit to stop and hand control over to the debugger. There are different types of breakpoints you can use in C++ debugging. Source breakpoints are set on specific lines of your source code. The debugger links the source line to the corresponding machine instruction address and sets a breakpoint there. Function breakpoints pause execution when a particular function is called, no matter where that call happens. Data breakpoints, also known as watchpoints, stop execution when a specific variable or memory location changes. This is helpful for tracking down when a variable is modified. Address breakpoints are set on a specific memory address instead of a line of code. Module load breakpoints pause execution when a certain module or library is loaded into memory. Advanced debugging tools, like those found in integrated development environments such as Visual Studio or C++ Builder, allow you to set conditional breakpoints. These breakpoints only pause execution when a specific condition is true, such as when a variable reaches a certain value. This helps you focus on the scenarios that matter most without stopping every time the breakpoint is reached. To use breakpoints effectively, start by running your C++ program in debug mode, which includes extra debugging symbols. Set breakpoints at lines or functions where you think there might be issues or where you want to check behavior. When the breakpoint is hit, take the time to inspect the current state of your program. Look at variable values, the call stack, memory content, and central processing unit registers. You can also use step commands to execute your code line by line or instruction by instruction to see how the program state changes. Adjust or remove breakpoints as needed to narrow down the cause of any bugs. Breakpoints are essential for pinpointing the exact moment and context where a bug occurs. They make it easier to find logic errors, incorrect variable values, or unexpected control flow. Understanding how to use breakpoints effectively is a key part of mastering software debugging and fixing programming bugs in C++.